Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're doing a VR accessory review for your MetaQuest 2 headset. And we're looking at these short grip extension handles for the controllers here that you can see. These ones are made by ZyberVR. On their website they retail for $29.99. On Amazon.com you can find them as well, and sometimes they will go on sale there and be a little bit cheaper. I'll link both of those below if you're interested in checking them out. In this video we will unbox them, I will show you how to assemble them, I will use them a little bit, and then I will give you my review on them as well. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, make sure you do so. I will link that playlist below so you can find all of those reviews and find something that you would like to use. So let's jump into this one. Okay, here's the box that came in the mail. Opens up nicely just like other boxes. Here we got the user manual and some wrist straps there, and then the grips themselves. Alright, so if you've ever used a Zyber accessory before that attaches to the controllers, then this won't be new to you. You will be able to get this quite easily. The first step that it tells you to do is to take off these original wrist straps and then replace the covers. Here we have the new straps that go into the bottoms of these here. Now if you want to, you can put them on beforehand. You just feed them through and then loop them through just like normal there. Okay, we got both of them on there. Now to attach it, you can see R's and L's on both of these. So if I take the right controller, I'm going to take this little clip here and it's going to go just to the side of this crease line here, and this is simply going to come up over top and go until you hear that click. I almost thought it was going to fall over there. Now same with the left. There's little grooves in the top there you can see that just need to line up, and then it clicks and you're good to go. Now you've got your little wristband there that you can use to put around, and you are good to go. In the bottoms you can see there are some threads. Now these don't come with the attachment, but other Zyber accessories, ones that I've reviewed, like the all-in-one handles, do have the little screws that you can attach them together if you would like, for like kayaking games, or maybe I don't know if the Vader Immortal series has things like that as well. But in this package those don't come with it. This is focusing more on just two separate controllers. Alright, so I'm going to use these a little bit and then I will come back and give you my review on them. So as you can see, I'm using them here with Beat Saber. It's a lot of fun. I feel like it adds a little bit to it. Does it make me play better? I don't really think so, but it is a lot of fun. Not particular with these extensions, but with just extensions in general. Be careful, because since the controllers aren't necessarily right in your hands, it makes it easier that you can smash them together. I did that using some other extensions by accident. It didn't break them or anything, but just be aware of that. But it was a lot of fun playing them with Beat Saber here. So let's go through my pros and cons. I like the holding system that it has in here. It's really easy to clip it in and out. It doesn't require you to screw anything in. And then if you have any other ZyberVR accessories, like I have the golf club that I use quite often, it's really easy just to pop them in and pop them out. Yeah, and it uses the regular battery cover. There's nothing you're having to change out. It's pretty simple. These are really soft and comfortable to hold. They can be attached to form a longer handle. Maybe if you have the all-in-one handle as well, they can be attached together with that. And then you can also insert weights to add extra weight. Again, those aren't included in this little pack, but they are included with other accessories. In terms of cons, if you're looking for a little extra handle to make your fitness or your Beat Saber a little bit more interesting, this is a great product, especially at a great price on Amazon.com for $19.99. You can't really beat that. If you want a few of the extras, then I would recommend going for the all-in-one handle that can be broken down into similar things like this, extended into kind of a golf club and more into like a kayak or a double lightsaber kind of thing as well. So check this out on the Zyber store. I will link those below and on Amazon.com. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, I will link the playlist below as well for you to check those out. There's a ton of good products. Zyber's got a ton of good products that I've reviewed as well, so you can check those ones out. Thank you for joining me here. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and we'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.